The avocado plant which we have planted. This is almost, I think, 2 months. So you can see avocado has come after 15 to 20 days. It's just coming out, sprouted. And I have shown you the video before, and this is the second one, which is, I think, just has come today. It has just come out. So we have two. One is here, this one, and other one is here. It has just come out. I think more will follow. Let's see how much of the avocado gets sprouted. So you can see now our avocado plant has grown quite big. So it is almost 1.5 months old. So 15 days it took to sprout, and just after sprouting it took 15 days from sprouting till here, and then another 15 days to become this big, and to so that the leaf has just come out. So this is almost 1.5 months old. Now you can see these are the avocado plant which we have planted. It's from the seed which this has come out, and this has come after, I think, 1.5 months. This has sprouted after 1.5 months, and these are the other three plant which has sprouted and become little big. So we'll transplant all these three in another pot. So you can see the sprouting time can vary if you are planting at the same time. Some will sprout early, and some will sprout little late. This is almost, I think, 2 months old. Yes. So we are transplanting this third plant into another pot. So we will take it out from the bottom so that the roots are not hurt, and then we will transplant it in another pot and just cover with the soil and water it. So, and put little more soil on it. And this is the last one which we have already told you that this has come very late. This we will just move it to the center so that it can grow in this pot healthily. And this is the fourth plant which we have. So this is our first plant, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one.